Our lungs are a natural filter that protects us from various infections and air pollution, which is why healthy lungs play a very important role in a happy life. Unfortunately, our respiratory system may suffer because of the harmful substances in the air that we breathe every single day. A dry cough, chest pain, shortness of breath. All of these can be warning signs of serious lung diseases such as asthma, chronic bronchitis, pulmonary embolism, and many others. If you've recently noticed at least one of these signs, it's better to take immediate action. Here are the list of natural and simple ways to keep your lungs healthy and to restore them after exposure to damaging factors. Elevate your head while sleeping. By keeping your head elevated at 15 degrees while sleeping, you can reduce mucus drainage into your throat and thus prevent night coughing. One extra pillow can be enough to achieve the required elevation. Ask a friend to help you loosen up the phlegm in your lungs. Ask a friend to tap your back with their hands in cup shape. They should start tapping firmly on the upper middle section of your back. This can help loosen the mucus in your lungs so you can cough it out. Clean your house. Sometimes serious lung diseases can be provoked by exposure to toxic mold, which needs only a few simple nutrients and water to grow. Exposure to mold can trigger such symptoms as inflammation, allergies, and asthma attacks. In order to breathe without difficulty, you need to create a safe place for your lungs by cleaning every corner of your home in good time, and by using a special air purifier. Protect your lungs from pollution. If you live in a highly polluted area, you should protect yourself from harmful gases in the air around you. When you are going outside, always wear a special mask. You can buy one with a filter made of active carbon or charcoal. There's also the more sophisticated P100 particulate filter for the highest level of respiratory protection. Don't suppress coughing. Coughing is a natural process that helps your lungs to get rid of mucus when you have a cold or the flu. Suppressing a cough can cause the serious progress of an infection. So next time, try to use cough suppressants only when you feel significant discomfort or you can't stop coughing without them. Follow a healthy diet. Certain foods contain a lot of vitamins and minerals, which can protect your lungs without additional pills. Here are some pieces of advice on how to change your eating habits. 1. Switching to an organic diet will help you avoid the risk of such diseases as lung cancer, chronic bronchitis, and emphysema. 2. If you can't switch to organic foods completely, try to avoid products containing preservatives and additives as well as prepackaged and processed foods. Carefully check food labels at the supermarket before buying anything. 3. Don't forget to drink the necessary amount of water every day. It will help you to keep your lungs hydrated and free from mucus and also to make blood flow easier. 4. Don't take beta-carotene supplements if you smoke, as they may increase the risk of colon, lung, and prostate cancer. Do some simple exercises. Physical exercises are important not only for looking good but also for your internal organs' health, as they help to increase blood flow and allow the necessary vitamins and minerals to reach your lungs faster. If you have some problems with your lungs or with breathing, consult a doctor before doing any new exercise. Breathe properly. The way you breathe is directly connected with your good health. As a rule, the stronger your lungs are, the better you feel. To increase the amount of oxygen in your lungs and to improve your ability to release the carbon dioxide from them, you can do some breathing exercises. Use acupressure. According to the Acupressure Points Guide, there are some points on your body that can provide relief from breathing problems and coughing. One of them is located at the base of the thumb. Press this point firmly for 3 minutes to see the results.